Everybody enjoys this kind of rights. But you understand, if everybody is enjoying the rights unlimitedly, what is that? Unlimitedly. Everybody is expressing his rights and enjoying his rights unlimitedly, definitely what will be disturbed? The social peace will be disturbed. The social order will be disturbed. Have you observed the bikes without license, silencer and or modified silencers? You have the right to movement in the country. You can move any part of the country without the interference from any other person. But when you are moving in that manner, what will happen? That will create the noise. The noise will be happy for others? No, it will be so much annoying for others. Are you able to understand? What is that kind of exercise of rights? Limitedly or unlimitedly? Unlimitedly. Okay, so that's why that kind of extreme social behavior definitely creates a problem for others. Okay, so that's why the society cannot exist like that. Everybody will be doing the same. What will happen? That will be so much disastrous for the society. Then what is required? What is required? There must be a kind of agreement in the society. What is that? A kind of, what is that? Agreement in the society. What kind of agreement you require? A kind of social agreement is required. Social agreement is required. What is that social agreement? You know, that social agreement can be explained in the form of social contract theory. What is that? Social contract. What is that? Social contract theory. What is the meaning of social contract theory? It means there is a kind of contract among the people in the society. Contract among the people in the society to create a very, very strong agency called as, what is that? State. You would like to create a strong agency called as state. Why the state needs to be created? To put the things in the order in the society. To put the things in the order in the society. Because in the society people are behaving in a random manner, extreme manner. So we require to regulate their conduct and we need to control them. For that reason, what we are creating? State is created. What is that? State is created. And the people in the society will be giving certain powers to the state. What they will be giving? Powers to the state. What kind of power? The power to regulate the rights of the people. Regulate the rights of the people. And how does the state regulate the rights of the people? Because people are giving certain rights to the state. Certain rights to the state. For example, if I ask you, do you have any weapon like AK-47 pistol with you? Do you have? If you want to have it, what do you require to do? You need to have a license. Because without license you can't hold any harmful weapon. Because that right has been given to the state. We have ceded this right to the state. And what does the state do in return? Will give protection to the rest of the rights. Will give protection to the rest of the rights. It means we are giving certain rights to the state, and what does the state do in return? It will give protection to the rest of the rights. Okay. For example, you have given the right to hold the arms, okay, and you have given the license to, that kind of power to the state. And suppose you are roaming in the night at 12 AM in the night, and you are being attacked by somebody, and immediately you call up to the police by dialing what? Dial 100. By dialing 100, what will happen? Police will reach to the spot, right? Okay. It means, did the state put any restriction on your right to call upon the police? You need to call only this time, you can't call that time? No such time fixation you can observe. Why? Because you have already submitted your right to the state. That is the power to, right to hold the arms. And what does the state do? The state will be available for you 24/7. Are you able to understand? Whether this arrangement is good or bad? Definitely good. So that no person will misuse his rights in the society. For example, according to Hindu Marriage Act, every husband or wife, how many marriages they can be performed? Only one. Okay. If anyone performs more than one marriages, what will happen? They will be imprisoned. They will be imprisoned. This is also a kind of, what is that? Social contract. Because we have ceded our right to get unlimited marriages, and the state is protecting the marital relationship. The state is protecting the marital relationship. We are registering our land with the government, and government is protecting your land, which is very much registered. Are you able to understand? In this way, you can find the give and take relationship between the people and the state. That kind of theory is called as social contract theory. Okay. So it is nothing but the manifestation of this social contract theory is nothing but constitution. Constitution is nothing but it's a manifestation of the social contract theory. Whatever the agreement that is made between the people and state, that is taking the form of, what is that? Constitution. That is taking the form of constitution, right now? Okay.